Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. I need just a second to make sure I'm not going to echo. I apologize. All right, let me get this together. All right, so that should fix it, hopefully. All right, y'all. Um, Here, let me go ahead and unlock that. I know that some of you guys hate seeing my face, then others like, I'm just seeing your face. So it is what it is. All right, so we'll just go with it. Um, let's bless these cards. I've got a few decks out here. Not sure which ones I'll be led to use, so we'll just kind of go with it, okay? I apologize that it's not earlier. I've had a slow start. I stayed up late. All right, y'all. For the right person with the right messages, please, Spirit, may it all be clear and precise. All right. All right. Now, I'll leave that there. So let's go ahead and add here. All right, let's do it like this. There we go. Let's go ahead. Let's start with the overall energies. We are using the energy oracle cards right here. Okay. And then we have the Cosmic Slumber Tarot that I'm going to use. All right. What is the overall energy, please, Spirit? May it be clear and precise, dear God. What is the overall energy? Overall energy for the collective watching this. Don't forget, if it resonates, hashtag resonate in the comments below for a chance to win a reading with me, okay? Overall energy. Overall energy. And more. Thank you. All right, so we have the goddess of the moon. Oh my. Okay, then we have the garden and the gate. Okay. What's sticking out? The temple path and a broken heart. Um, okay, so by what's sticking out and what's on the bottom here, I feel that you guys, somebody had a broken heart, somebody was triggered to start their spiritual path by something that's broken their heart. Okay, so this is the overall energy. Whether or not this is what the tarot wants to focus on or not, we'll see. But something has triggered you to go to get closer to God, to work on your relationship with God. And honestly, that's usually how it works. Okay, that's usually how, because we have to be humbled, right? Um, Here, I'll just lay those on the top there. So let's see what the tarot says. For collective, please, Spirit, may it be clear and precise. What does it collective watching this video need to know about? What is it that they need to know about, please? What is it that they need to know about? Watch that fall completely out there. All right. What do they need to know about? We have the Two of Pentacles, okay? Well, I'll go ahead and show them. All right, we have the Two of Pentacles here. Something's up in the air, some sort of decision, okay? Let me, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'll get this figured out eventually, folks. Y'all just be patient with me. All right, so we have this Two of Pentacles. So something literally is in the air. Do you see how she's got that in the air? Okay. What is it that they need to focus on? What is the Two of Torches, which is the Two of Wands? Wow. Listen. All right, y'all. Literally, y'all got to make a decision about something. Somebody's being indecisive. I mean, that is double confirmation right there. Literally, Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands. Okay, there's something that you're being indecisive about. Okay, what do they need to embrace about this situation, please? What do they need to embrace about this situation? All right, we have the Three of Pentacles. Okay, now this is collaboration, but folks, this looks to me like there's something blew up in smoke. Okay, so if this is about something that has hurt you or triggered this spiritual awakening or triggered some sort of awakening, it's blew up in smoke. All right. Or we could look at it like this. Hopefully you guys can see it close up. Here, I'm going to, because I want you to see in the background what I see. Okay, I see somebody here, like with a robe on. That's, okay, like releasing those pentacles, right? It's like they're releasing, they're creating something, okay? So, and the Three of Pentacles is about working together with somebody, collaboration, right? Well, you see how they're separated, right? That we've got those two over here, and then we've got the one back here. The one is creating something, and the other two's being lazy. So, which one are you? Are you the one that just doesn't belong anymore, and you're creating your own, or do you need to work better with others? Whatever this is, you need to embrace it. Take it how it resonates. I feel like you are the one creating. Okay, that's what I feel, and you just don't kind of find your place in it. You just don't know where your place is, and normally that's usually how it goes for us that are on our spiritual path. Okay, we have the Hermit on what you need to avoid. Okay, this Hermit is being, see, I'm afraid that with this over here where you're by yourself, if you are the one that is creating something, don't get inside your head. Literally, look how this right here, it's like, I don't want you inside your head. I don't want you to start self-doubting yourself. um you guys, this is I feel like this is a repeat of everything I always say, but clearly we need to keep going over it if God's bringing it to us, right? Somebody's not getting something, okay? We just had the 10 of Wands in reverse, all right? Now, this 10 of Wands is that weight of the world on you. It's this heavy load here, right? You're having to switch your arms because it's getting so heavy. Well, it was in reverse, so you're releasing it, okay? That load is getting lighter. Um, you're figuring out that, heck, you may even had to turn around, okay, and go back somewhere to redo something or to make something right somewhere, okay? Um, this is where you're headed with this situation next. So, are you having to go back to take that load and lay it down somewhere to make something right? Are you just releasing it? Okay, let's get one more for where do they go? We have the Five of Pentacles. You are determined right here. The Five of Pentacles is usually someone being left out in the cold, right? But look at this. Not in this card. This is crazy. That little boy is he's determined to catch up to those pentacles. Do you see that? It doesn't matter if he's going to have to climb those bushes or that tree or whatever it may be that he's in. He is not going to be left behind. It's like you see that gold, you see that shiny, and you want to be up there with that. You've seen something in your life that you want to be more like. Someone has maybe shined their light, or maybe, I don't know, you've got this fresh air of something, and you're like, you know what? I need to be more that way. Okay, so I feel like you guys have someone, yeah. Here we have the Queen of Cups on the bottom. This very intuitive woman, this loving woman, this it's like this woman here. It's and even underneath that is the Nine of Pentacles, okay, which is that independence, that abundance, that happiness. I feel like someone in your life is possibly a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. This lady is, she's got fish in her hair. She's got, I don't know if it's for decoration or if she's cute that way, or if she just doesn't, it's like she is worried about filling her cup up, giving it to everybody else. This person here is someone that is shining their light, okay? And I feel like bringing you closer to what, and you're just trying to reach for it. You want to be a part of that so bad, okay? So you're creating it for yourself. You're learning how to project it yourself. You want, it's like you, it's almost like we went to church. Gosh, why? It's like we went to church. Somebody's went to the altar and set things right, and you know how you come back out and you're just different. You're a different person. I feel like that's what we're going through here. Maybe that's what's happened to some of you guys. But this is definitely what I'm seeing, okay? You guys are creating this new life for yourself, this new peace, okay? You're going to be, you're going to want to be more like whoever this is, okay? Or this could be you. If this is, if you're a water sign, and you could be like, uh-oh, wait a minute, my cup's empty. How do I fill mine up? And you may be looking for it, okay? All right, so let's get a couple of the cards I made. Let's use these ones and them ones. These ones and them ones. All right. This is for the collective. Watching this video about this, what is it that they need to know about this situation? What do they need to hear about this situation? What do they need to hear, the collective? Oh my gosh, I knew it, folks. Man, when I know it, I know it. Right? And I'm about to get my fly swatter. I hate doing that for now. All right, a woman is involved in a beautiful way. I kid you not. Out of all these cards, folks. Now, do you see? I knew it. Someone is being a positive influence, making a difference in your life. It could be a mother, it could be a sister, it could be a friend. It's somebody. All right. Changes are for the better right now. Stay put. So I feel like if somebody's fighting this or doubting this, don't get, like I said, this is what you're avoiding. That's exactly what this is for. Okay. And then we have smile more, hashtag joy. I may put that as the the thumbnail thingy. Maybe. We'll see. A milestone will be reached very soon. Peace. Okay. So let's put these up and let's get a couple of these ones. All right. Wake up, wake up. This is for the collective. What do they need to hear about this situation? Forceful. Okay, so don't be lazy with it. Don't be lazy. Go in full force. Okay, full throttle. Um, oh, that's just the thing. Okay, I was gonna say, what do they need to hear about this? Okay, look, you guys, letting go. I told you, I feel like whatever it is that triggered you to find this person, to be a part of this person, whatever, you're letting go of things that no longer serve you. You are, and this one's calling for me. Oh my gosh, someone deceived you. That's what it is. You are letting go of somebody that hurt you. That's why I heard to get that. It's exactly, someone has done you wrong and deceived you. You're letting them go. That broken heart. All right, let's get one more for the collective about this situation, please. We have, that's way too many. I want to make sure it's clear. I don't want you to, what do they need to hear? One, I'll pick it. You just hold them out. Oh my gosh, I'm just, okay, walking away. And then what's on the, okay. This could be family, folks, because I've got Gossip Queen, okay, on the bottom. You could definitely be walking away. Maybe, you know what? Maybe that's who you're, oh my, see, okay, wait a minute. Oh, I just got confirmation too. Y'all, I'm not picking on anybody. Nobody. But somebody used to be a gossip queen. Somebody used to be a poopster. Somebody would be right dab in the middle of it all. And somebody has shined their light and made you be, just kind of look in the mirror. Okay, that's what's happening. You could have been deceiving yourself here, keeping yourself from your highest good. Okay, that's, yeah, that's really loud and clear. Um, and now you're like full force because you've seen that mirror, that one card that I get in that one deck. You know how we don't want to see the truth in something, and it's that mirror, and we don't see a reflection back. That you've seen that reflection and you didn't like it. It scared you. It hurt you. It shamed you, and you're like, I need to change before it's too late to change. Right? You want to. You're more aware of what you're putting out because now you realize, and maybe before you didn't fully understand how that worked, that what you put out is what you get back. If you want love, you have to put out love. If you want good, you have to put out good. Because if you're going to put out nasty, you're going to get nasty back. Right? All right, folks. That's what I've got for you today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope that it's helped some way, you guys. I love you so daggone much. Y'all, hit that thumbs up for me, okay? I'd really appreciate that. And also, hashtag resonate, okay? I'll see you after a while. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, which would really help right now because things are tight and I got to get these kids in school and all that's going on. So, a private reading would be great. If so, right down there is the email, or in the community post, I have all my information, even the daggone phone numbers on there if you guys want to text, okay? All right, y'all. I love you guys. Love one another. Let's uplift one another. Let's just be friendly, be nice to people, okay? Let's put out good so we'll receive good, okay? Y'all, have a great day. I hope it's full of blessings. I'll see you guys later. Bye.